Good day.
Good day.
Please introduce yourself.
I'm Miss Trinidad Reyes, 52 years old, and I'm residing in 9B Bariña Street, Manotoc Subdivision, Santo Niño, Marikina City.
Okay.
I have 4 children, 2 boys and 2 girls, and I got 3 grandmothers.
Okay, you have granddaughters already.
Granddaughters.
Okay, please tell us about your work experience.
Yeah, my work experience is to take care of the newborn babies, take care of the
Where?
old ones.
Here in the Philippines or what country?
In Hong Kong and also here in Philippines.
In Hong Kong, how many years you stay in Hong Kong?
17 years.
17 years.
Yes.
One employer only?
No.
How many employers?
Since first time in Hong Kong, 1989.
Yes.
My employer is a Chinese family with 2 kids for 6 years.
For 6 years, one employer. Oh, really? And how about the second one?
The second one is American Indian.
American Indian. For how many years you stay there, family?
2 years.
2 years,
We
finish
don't have
contract?
family, just bachelor.
Okay, bachelor. How about the third one?
The third one is Chinese Canadian.
How many years?
2 years, 2 to 3 years.
2 years, 3 years.
Yeah,
Why is it 3 years? Suppose it's 4 years, right?
yeah, because my boss went to Canada.
Okay, so you need to go back here in the
But they don't
Philippines.
have kids. They are only couple.
Okay, so your employer go to Canada for good, and then they advise you to go back here in the Philippines.
No, I find another employer.
Okay, and then that is the fourth one.
Yes.
How many years?
2 years also.
Finish contract.
Yeah, because my boss also going for good.
For what country?
USA.
Okay, so okay. What else? Do you have
And the
any?
next one is also
The fifth employer
the fifth employer is also American bachelor.
in Hong Kong.
Yes.
Okay, what else?
And the sixth one is in Clearwater Bay for 3 years also.
Okay.
He's German.
German, but in Hong Kong also.
Yes.
Okay, so you spend 17 years in Hong Kong, so you know all their culture as well as their language.
Yes, Mom.
You know how to speak in Cantonese?
Yeah, a little bit, Mom.
Okay, can you sing for the kids in a Cantonese song?
No, Mom.
You don't know? Okay. Later, when you say something to your employer, I want to talk to your prospective employer by Cantonese. It's okay?
Cantonese?
Yeah?
To talk to the employer?
Later. Okay.
Okay.
What about noted the children? Do you have long patience taking care of them?
Yeah, I have long patience for them.
Okay. Do you know how to take care of a newborn?
Yes, Mom.
Okay. Can you please tell us how can you take care of a newborn baby?
I take care of the newborn baby since birth.
Yeah. What will you do if the baby is crying?
The baby is crying. What will I do is I need to let him for sleep and sing a song for them so that they can sleep.
Okay.
Dance with them.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
Because the Hong Kong is a good salary now again, and I want to work them also in Hong Kong again because I need to support my family and my granddaughters.
Okay. Is it possible there's an old man or old women may be sick or bedridden living with your prospective employer? Are you willing to take care of them?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to take care of them.
Okay. Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No,
Okay.
because I take care also German Shepherd, cats, dogs,
Okay.
etc.
Would you like to say anything else to your prospective employer, but can you talk to them in Cantonese or in Mandarin?
No,
Why they have to choose you? Okay, some simple. I thought you were 17 years
Yeah,
old.
but we didn't speak Cantonese. We all speak English.
Ah, okay. So, but you know.
But I know a little bit Siu-Siu.
Sim. Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind
Chinese
of food? Such
Russian
as?
food, Filipino food, Asian food.
Okay. So, you know all, huh? You're
Yes,
very
I know
Oh.
everything.
overqualified, huh? Okay. Would you like to say anything else to prospective employer?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. If I'm willing, if I go to the Hong Kong, if you want to take me in Hong Kong also or what, I'm willing to work with you, and I know
Okay. Continue, please.
and I will take care of all the responsibilities in your household.
Okay. So, what else can you promise? Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract without doing any troubles?
Yeah, I promise not to break a contract, but I need to finish the contract for you, ma'am.
Okay. Anything, any words or greetings for Cantonese?
Cantonese.
Like, say hi, Popo, hi to my prospective employer. Something
Hi,
like that.
ma'am. Hi, Popo. Hi, Chiche.
That's all?
Yeah, but hi, Silo.
Okay, thank you.